Hey guys, what's up? It's Drew and we're back again with another video today. Today we're going to be installing some Raxiom taillights that I just ordered from AmericanMuscle.com. They're about $400 and it should be an easy install. It should just be plug and play, but I'll take you along to the process and let's do it. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is right now unloosen these little, I don't know what it's called, twisties, whatever, but you just want to not do that, but pull it and alright guys, now I just got rid of these little push pins, so now it should be easy, and just remove this whole plastic trim right here. And from there I should have access to some nuts that I'll have to unscrew with a wrench, but besides that it should be just plug and play. There you go. Alright, now we're on to the last bolt, which, okay, so one's here, one's over here. Oh, I believe I just found it. It's quite hard to access, but not impossible. Alright, so got this bad boy out. Alright, so there should be a harness all the way inside here. I'm not sure. Let me get a light right here. But yeah, that harness right there. Can you see it? Right there. A little more. Unplug that harness there. Alright. And you just whip out this bad boy. Like that. Alright. You getting this here? This is what we call golden content right here. Okay. Don't cut yourself, kids. Everyone's laughing right now, but I'm just giving advice here for everyone. Let's go over here now. Just wipe that down. Okay. So we get this little harness right here. Pull it and place that right there. Now let me just plug in the wiring harness, and it's just plugging it in to the one that you just disconnected from right here. Alrighty. This is a little tough, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I think that bad boy's in. Alright. So, let's see. Take this off. Right there. And you just fit them into the 3 holes right there. And let's test it out, see if it works really quick. What's your reaction to this? They look more crisp and clean than these, in my opinion. I mean, these are so good, but just like those are just. It goes like this in there, the rubber grommet there, and we'll just fit this bad boy right into its spot.